Alright traders, I'm back again with another video. This time I want to take time to go over a couple of trading opportunities that are on the horizon. A few that basically we'll go over the euro yen here on the daily time frame, and we'll also go over the euro dollar. The euro dollar is a pair that I barely trade. I don't like trading that much. It's everybody's favorite trading pair, but I don't trade it that much. I trade it sometime, but right now we're on the euro yen, so we'll look at that on the daily time frame. Now looking at the daily time frame, you see Friday we have a trading opportunity because we have a Kumo breakout. Now basically this red line here is a support level where the market was making support. So we put a line there, and that's what at the 105 508 area. Now basically what happened, the market broke that support area because you can see the market came down, hit that area, went up, came back down, hit that area again right here, and made this long wick candle, and then went back up. Went up to your Kijun-sen, bounced off of your Kijun-sen, came back down, and bounced off of this level 3 more times, 4 times, and then it broke that level. And then the 5th time it really broke the level and took off. But now we didn't want to trade inside of that level there, because basically if you follow the rules for your Ichimoku system, being inside of this cloud is just turbulence. It's you're not sure what's going to happen. Basically inside this Kumo here, the market is considered unstable. So we wanted to wait to get some stability, and we could see that the market came through and broke and closed below the Kumo. Now also, when you're trading this system, you have support levels. So you wanted to wait for the market to break this final support level. The bottom of this Kumo would have been your final support level. So when the market came down here, this would have been your first level of support right here. When you start up here and the market comes down, this right here is your Tenkan-sen. This would have been your first level of support. The market broke it. Then finally your Kijun-sen. That's your second level of support. The market broke it. And then the market came down to your third level of support, which would be the top of the Kumo. The market broke it, came back up, and then didn't break it. Finally fooled around there for a while, and now it came here. This is where it made a level of support inside the cloud, but then finally it broke this last level of support, which is your Kumo. So your 4 levels of support are broken. So now that means we're bearish. We're bearish in this market. And there's no reason for you to be taking long trades unless you're an experienced trader and you're scalping. But basically you want to be looking for shorting opportunities, for chances to take short trades. And the opportunity has arisen now because you closed outside of this Kumo. So we want to see what the market's going to do Sunday when it opens up. We want to make sure that it opens up. We don't really want to get into the trade off of this level here. What I'd like to see is the market pull back, and the market could pull back to a couple levels. It could pull back to the bottom of this cloud, or back to this support level here, and a lot of times the market will go down and then pull back to this level of support. Well, it's going to be resistance now, so it'll pull back to that resistance level and then go. So the market closed here. If you didn't get in here and have a entry order set here, or get in when it closed right there, then you want to wait for it to pull back. And then if you don't get that trade, then it just isn't your opportunity. But a lot of times the market's going to retrace, so you have to be patient on this and wait for it to retrace and go back. Now if the market opens up higher than this level here, then you can put an entry order below this level, and when the market goes below that level, you take that trade. Okay, and then you put your stop loss a little above this support level right here. It's going to be resistance now, so you put that stop loss a little above this resistance level here. Okay, now you could also put your stop loss basically right here at the Tenkan-sen. Okay, because now what you got, the Tenkan-sen is going to be a level of support for you, resistance for you rather, now, because you're going the opposite way, and then this will be your another level of resistance for you. But that's a big stop loss there, so we'll go right here. Okay, so that's what we're going to look for. We're going to look for the market to come down a little and then retrace, hopefully back to the bottom of this Kumo, or up to this level here, and then it's going to go down again. Now it could open up and keep on going down because the yen has been strong and the euro's pretty weak, so it may not retrace for a while, and it may go down and continue down to this level. Okay, so and the way that I got this level here is I look for the next support level, and you could also see that this could be a level right here. We'll put this line in right here. This could be a level right here, because see, the market hit this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on a sixth time it broke that level. But back here it honored that level a whole bunch of times. You can see all the hits off of these wicks hitting this level here. So this could be a strong level also. So if you are in a trade already, you may look at this level as an area where the market may come down. It may come down now and retrace and then break this level, or it could come down and hang around here for a while then break it. Okay, so this is another important level. So that'll be the levels that you look at: 103, 181, and 101, 940. Okay, and then finally, if it breaks that 940 area, you're looking at down here. You're looking down here for a double bottom, and then you'll see what the market does. Then down there will be like, basically that's going to be in the 97.154 area. So we'll look at that long term. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at, the euro yen. Let's go to a chart that I already have made up, and I posted on this tradeview.com. I'm on tradeview.com as ETTrader63, and I post my ideas and trade thoughts here. It's easier for me to do a blog real quick than it is sometimes to do a video. You know, I like to write down my ideas and just draw it up. So we'll go to another chart that I have with my ideas that I publish. We don't want to be there. We want to be right here. And we'll go to the full screen. Okay, now on this euro dollar, you can see again, here's the support level right here. This level is the 1.30271 area. But basically, the more importantly, the level that you really want to look at is this 1.3000 level. It's a psychological level. A lot of traders will be looking at that level, and it'll be a level where this market, if it breaks that 1.3000 level, then you could look for that market to fall and fall down to maybe this level here, where you would see a possible double bottom. And that level there is the 1.26575 level. So what we're looking at here, and the reason why I'm saying that we're looking for short opportunities, is because basically I have a descending triangle pattern here, and the way that's developed is because the market is making lower highs. So you make that trend line there, but it's not making lower lows, it's making higher lows. And when the market does that, it squinches it up, tightens it up into a area. So it's like it's getting compacted, and then finally it's going to have to break out. So I have where I'm looking like the market could come down to this level, then go back up to the trend line, come back down to this level, trend line down, trend line, and then finally maybe it'll break that level. Now when we look at a descending triangle pattern, it's a bearish pattern. So that's one reason that we're looking for the market to break this level. The euro is weak and the yen is very strong. Well, this is the euro dollar. So the dollar is stronger than the yen. The dollar is stronger than the euro. The euro has been having some issues. So you can see here, also looking at this chart on the Ichimoku system, this blue line here is going to be your Kijun, and you can see how it's flat. Then it had a little movement, but it's flat. It's basically flat, dead line. That means the market is dead. And you can see that you've been whipsawed with the Tenkan-sen. Your Tenkan-sen been crossing your Kijun-sen, so you have that cross. So it wouldn't be trades that you want to get in off of the TK cross. And reason being because this Tenkan is so flat. You know, you want to see some angle up or angle down. And when it's flat like this, there's nothing to trade really. This is different. You know, you're going to have to use a different system to trade the market. The Ichimoku system is basically for a trending market, and if you try to use it in a ranging market, you could get beat up pretty good. And I'm not using it basically right now for that purpose, but I am looking at what the sentiment of the market is using the Ichimoku system. And I'll use this system to look at the sentiment and know which way to go. I won't get in the market on a TK cross. I will get in the market on a Kumo break most of the time. And if after the break, I'll start looking for support and resistance areas. And the market broke this level right here, broke this Kumo. Okay, and that's lets you know that you still want to be short. Okay, and then you're looking at this level here, this support level that I told you at the 3271 level, basically the 300, 3000 level. That's where you're going to look for major support. That's where a lot of traders are going to be looking at that psychological level. And when the market breaks that level, look for it to go down to this possible double bottom. This here, we had this low back in January. So that's what I'm looking at, traders. Basically, and the way that you could get into this trade is, like I said, once this level is violated, then you put your order in to go short, and then you put your stop loss a little bit above this level here. Okay, that's basically what I'll be looking at, and that's basically what I'll be doing. And traders, you could follow me if you want to on TradeView.com. I'm going to be I'll be IchiTrader63, and also follow me on ForexNet.com, ForexStreet.net, and I'm going to be Chaos Trader 63 on there. So those are the areas that you can follow me. I usually write more stuff than I do as far as making videos, so you can follow me there and see what I do daily, and maybe that'll help you out, help you to learn some more. But traders, until next time, hopefully I'm helping somebody, and hopefully I'm being a blessing. And until next time, God bless.